Jai Hind. Welcome dear students. In this video lesson, you are going to learn more about large scale fixed retailers. So, fixed retailers are those retailers. They have fixed place of business. And in this video, you are going to learn more about what are the different types of large scale fixed retailers. So fixed retailers classified into two, small scale and large scale. And the large scale fixed retailers, they have large amount of investment. And the best examples for large scale investors are large scale fixed retailers are departmental store, multiple shops, supermarket, then consumer cooperatives, mail order business. So lots of examples are there. We have to learn more about the concept what is departmental store. So remember, large scale retailers have a fixed place of business and their scale of operation is also very large. They are investing more amount. So the first one is departmental store. Just look at this picture. It is very clear. In departmental store, it is a large type of retail business where we will get bulk quantity products and it will be of variety manufacturers. So a departmental store is a large scale retail organization consisting of many departments, each dealing in one item under one roof and one management. So remember the point, it works under one roof and management. So under one roof we will get a wide variety of products. That is the specialty of departmental store. So what are the different features of departmental store? It works in large size. It is a large scale retail organization and central location. Normally, most probably, the departmental stores are located in a central place where the customers can come easily and collect the products. So, centralized location, then spacious premises. So, the building for the departmental store will able to accommodate different customers, mass number of people under one roof at a time. So, the area of operation of departmental store will be very high or a large building, a large spacious building will be there. And variety of goods we will get from departmental store. It is yet another feature of departmental store. We will get variety of products of same product of different manufacturers we will get from departmental store. Then it amenities and attractions. Departmental store offers a great number of amenities and attractions to the customers. They are applying a lot of sales promotion techniques for attracting the customers. And no credit is another specialty. There is no credit transaction in departmental store. It deals only in cash and carry basis. The transactions in departmental store deals in cash and carry basis. And yet another feature, advertising. To increase the sale of products, departmental stores provide lot of advertisement through different medias, newspapers, magazines, internet, and so on. Then high cost of operation. The cost of operation in departmental store is very high comparing to other form of retail business. So the cost of operation, day-to-day operation is they have to spend more money to deal with maybe providing rent, advertising, and lot of other expenses are there. Serving the upper class is the ultimate aim of departmental store. It generally serves the salaried and rich class, but there is no restriction for the poor people to come and collect the product, but mainly they concentrate on the salaried and rich class people, and they provide door-to-door delivery services. Departmental stores provides door-to-door delivery services. So these are the regarding the features of departmental store and what are the different advantages of departmental store. Hope the idea is very clear regarding departmental store. So advantages of departmental store include the departmental store will be centrally located and place of business is ideal. Being centrally placed, they serve people from all part of the town or city. So it is very easy to attract the customers and to serve the people. So the central location of departmental store provides easy shopping to all the customers coming to the organization. And you know very well, the feature said it have spacious building to accommodate large number of customers at a time. So it provides easy shopping of goods and services to the customers. Then economic purchases. Large scale purchase from manufacturers being down the price of consumer item and the benefit is passed to the consumer. So economical purchasing is possible. So no need, they are normally departmental stores are not collecting more profit by because they are purchasing product from manufacturers in bulk. And most probably a lot of staff will be there. Efficient staff is another advantage. A departmental store is better positioned to employ efficient staff to run departments. Lot of organizations, shopping malls are there, departments are there, departmental stores are there. There will be highly calibered staff. They are able to attract the customers and to satisfy the customers, to solve the problems of customers, and better, easy, speedy transaction is also possible with the support of the efficient staffs. And yet another feature of the advantages of departmental store includes large capital. It is formed like a joint stock company by investing more capital, and it provides lot of amenities, attractions to the customers. Another advantage, they are providing the free home delivery services, provides restaurants for the customers coming to the departmental store, reading rooms. Also, you have to remember for the mothers, feeding room will be there, telephone booth, etc. is the attraction for the customers coming to departmental stores. Effective sales promotion techniques. They are applying lot of effective sales promotion techniques. Effective in the sense, whatever may be the sales promotion techniques they are applying, it will help the departmental store to attract more customers. So these are the advantages of departmental store, and it have few disadvantages or demerits. Heavy operational cost is one disadvantage or limitation of departmental store. Why? Because they have to pay high amount of rent for the building and also a salary for the workers, and also they have to provide high amount of electricity charges, water charges, etc. So the operational cost is very high in the case of departmental store, and normally they are charging high prices for the product. They have lot of amount as initial investment. So in order to overcome that, they will charge high price for the goods sold. And the location, it always situated in the town area and city area. So it is not able to attract, or it is not possible to attract the people or the customers from villages. That is another limitation of departmental store. And there is no personal contact with the customers. Lack of personal contact with the customers by the departmental store. So these are the disadvantages of departmental store. So remember, a departmental store comes under the large scale fixed retailers. Remember, it is one of the number one form of organization, retail business working all around the world. Hope the concept regarding departmental store is very clear. If there is any doubts, you can chat with me through the comment box in YouTube. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and to subscribe my channel. It will be a great support for me to give more ideas for you. Don't forget to press the bell icon also. So thank you. Thank you.